Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Shah Sir Classes and Evershine Coaching Center. I am Shah Faisal Sir here. It's my privilege to organize this workshop, that is crash course, a free online crash course for class 12 students, that is Karnataka board 2nd PUC students for the subject Computer Science. These classes we are conducting for the complete ample revision chapter wise for the subject Computer Science. These classes are going to start as follows. Date 5th of Feb 2022. Timings will be from 3 p.m. to 4 p.m. My dear students, kindly note this point. These classes are conducted only on weekends, that is on Saturday and Sunday, and it is completely free of cost. And the students who are interested to join for this crash course, you need to pay a one-time registration fee, that is ₹1000 for per subject. But right now we have started this initiative for the subject Computer Science. Meanwhile, we may start for other subjects also for class 12. If any students are interested, you can contact to this respective contact number, that is 9964257448 or 9611276786. The registration is open till 4th of Feb 2022 8 p.m. Features of this program. This program is designed to improve the performance of the students in the annual exam and also to overcome the examination phobia. And remember, we are going to complete the revision each chapter wise. From every chapter we are going to discuss the very important questions which is required for your upcoming board exam, and also we collect a source of information as which is important for you, and how to prepare, when to prepare, study timetable, and much more information will be given in this crash course. The students, you no need to worry till now. In case if you have not studied, if you have not done well with computer science subject, do not worry. This is the opportunity for you people to clear your doubts, along with understand chapter wise important questions, passing package, scoring package, and much more. And these classes will be conducted only on the weekends. So on Saturday and Sunday we are going to create a WhatsApp group. Through that WhatsApp group we give you the timings, and remember, it is completely live classes will be conducted on weekend. Okay, and throughout the week, in the weekdays, we give you the assignment as important questions. You are supposed to write, solve, practice the questions which we are going to give you. And these classes will be conducted, as I said you, online live class. We give you the link. We have our own AI platform, artificial intelligence platform. Through that platform we are going to conduct the classes where you can interact with me directly. I hope this information is clear for you all. Still, if you are not subscribed to my YouTube channel Shah Sir Classes, kindly do subscribe it and click the bell icon and share this video. Let this information reach for every student so that they can score a very good marks in the upcoming board exam. Your one like, your one comment, your one share can build the future of the other student. Thank you. Keep watching to our YouTube channel. Wish you all the best of luck. Take care. If you have any doubts, you can WhatsApp to me on the number 9964257448. One important note, the admissions are open for the next year. In our institute, we do have branches in Tannery Road and Shivaji Nagar. If any student from class 6 to class 12, if they are interested to join for the regular program, the regular coaching, you can contact to us. The admissions are open. We have the limited seats. Hurry up.